Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to check your US passport application status online in 2026. Many people get worried when their status doesn't update, and checking correctly saves time. First, wait at least 7 to 10 business days after applying. The system takes time to register new applications. Checking too early may show no updates. Next, visit the official US State Department passport status page. Always use the official site. Third-party sites can give wrong info. Now enter your last name, date of birth, and last four digits of your social security number. These verify your identity. Enter details exactly as on your application. After that, click Check Status. Your current application status will appear. Read the full message carefully, not just the title. Understand common messages. Application received, in process, or ready for delivery are normal. Not every stage updates daily. Consider signing up for email alerts. Notifications tell you when your passport is mailed. You won't need to check constantly. If status hasn't updated in 6 to 8 weeks, contact the National Passport Information Center. Give your application details clearly. They can check directly. So yeah, checking US passport status online means waiting, using the official site, entering correct info, understanding messages, signing up for alerts, and contacting support if delayed. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for listening, stay patient, and I'll see you in the next guide.